It's a 2008 Chrysler Sebring. Experience this Chrysler Sebring and you'll realize it's more than just the everyday drive. It's proof that power and efficiency are a perfect match. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: AM/FM Sirius satellite radio, power windows, manual tilting steering column, key fob activated rear windows, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver highlights its smooth ride, smart-looking interior materials, roomy trunk, and quiet inside. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.